I'm not going for a road test, so.
Yeah.
Okay, when you get across this intersection here, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change when it's safe and possible.
Sure. That was too fast.
That's okay. That was alright.
Are we still in a 40?
Yeah, this technically, it's still a 40 until you get across this intersection. You'll see the change in speed sign coming up here.
Okay.
There, you can build your speed up. Yeah, you can bring her up to 60 there now. And we'll go ahead and make a right lane change.
That's good.
Yeah, good transition. About 2 or 3 seconds. When the roads are wet or if they're slippery, then you want to increase that transition to maybe 3 to 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Take about that long. We're going to keep going straight at the lights here. Football tonight. Wow. A little chilly.
Or the Spartans.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, definitely a Spartans practice.
That field gets so full of shit though, like from the birds.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a right turn at the lights.
Is there a turn limit or
There is, yeah. Nice, right alongside the curb, perfect. Being prepared to stop here for the yellow light. This is another red light camera intersection here.
do a complete stop?
Yeah, just like you would at a stop sign. And then you can crawl out there.
1, 2, and we're good.
Right on. Okay, so we're gonna head over to Regent, and then we'll start heading back to your place.
Where's that, straight?
Yeah, straight ahead. Kind of not straight. Just
Yeah, I guess
nothing's really straight here in Sudbury. It's a little wider here because of the for cars to park on the side here. So when you're driving along, just stay close to the yellow line if it's visible.
Sometimes, yeah, look at this.